Now that we looked at an example, what is the algorithm itself? The algorithm is, it's pretty different from everything that we've seen up until this point in that there is no training phase. Every algorithm up until now, there was a training phase where we estimate some numbers, and then there's a testing phase where we get new data points, and then we use whatever we estimated in the training phase to make predictions for the new data points. With nearest neighbor, there is no training phase at all. So the algorithm gets the training set and the testing set at the same time. So the input is a set of training examples, xi, yi. Xi is a set of attribute value pairs for the ith instance. Yi is the label, and if we're doing classification, it's the class label. So ham or spam, or if you're recognizing digits, it's the value between 0 and 9. And then we get the point x, and that's the point that we're trying to classify. And the way the algorithm works is you take your point x, you compute the distance dxxi to every training example xi. Out of those training examples, you pick k instances which are closest to you. So let's say that they're xi1 through xik. These are my k nearest neighbors. I look at their labels, yi1 through yik, and I pick the label that is the mode or the most frequent in that set of labels. So I basically have, I have these nearest neighbors voting for each of their classes, and I look at the class that gets the highest vote, the most votes. So it's a very simple algorithm. Notice, no training phase at all. The algorithm starts by computing distances from the testing point x to all of the training examples.